Is this a joke?
No, it's not. It's a segment we do on our show called The Second Date Update. So I'm calling today about a guy that you went on a date with. His name is Luke.
I'm sorry.
We get a lot of questions about how automatic tool changers work, so I figured I'd go through that.
Anybody named Luke.
You haven't gone out with anybody named Luke?
I've been married for like 3 years. I haven't gone out with anybody.
You've been married for 3 years.
Yes, I'm very happily married.
By any chance, are you married to?
Through the insert. But anyways, this one is done, and we're ready to go. So I've got a couple more that I did that I can use painting process a little bit easier. Now that I've got everything taped up on the front side, we can paint the back side. So the Starbond goes in. It's a CA glue, so super glue. With the activator, it sets up in about 20
I
seconds.
have zero clue what you guys are talking about. Can you be more clear?
Yeah, sure. I